Hey, everyone's Stealth. Welcome back to Moto Gear Solid, and I'm here once again with the Honda Rebel 500 doing more stuff. What is it? I don't know. So last video I did the exhaust slider on both sides, and I did the floorboards, which I love. I'm going to install a bracket there to mount more things on it because I don't want to use up the handlebars, because I have to mount a removable windshield on here eventually, so I don't want to take up too much space. So I'll show you what all the parts look like. It'll make more sense. Also going to be installing this. It's a utility bar, multi-bar, nav bar, I don't know what to really call it, but something you put over the dash. Just have an extra spot to put your device. So I'll be putting my phone. So it just goes like this. See? So it'll be nice to have my phone right over the dash. I don't like it on the side. I like it here so I can see my speed and where I'm going. Okay, so I have my phone there and I can keep it on when I'm going on a long trip. It's pretty cool. But I might as well install a new brighter headlight. I've used these on the Virago, same brand and everything. DJZ from Amazon. They're pretty good. Give you a nice white glove. Fancy. So basically it's like an H4 converted to LED, so it should be a lot brighter. I never used one of these, but it should be plug and play. I think I actually got this recommended on the Rebel group. I'm not sure, but I saw it somewhere and I figured it would work. So we'll try it out. If it doesn't work, I'll just put the stock one back, but I'll leave a link for this as well if you want to upgrade your light. All right, let's install this junk. Alright, so I finished installing the nav bar, multi-bar, tool, extension thing, so you can attach more accessories to your bike. I also installed the headlight. You can see the difference here. Nice bright white light coming from the headlight. I love that versus the old school yellow style light, which is ugly. Yeah, just a quick video. This is Stealth from Moto Gear Solid. Appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, like the video. Stay tuned for more stuff. There's lots to do. I ain't done yet. I will keep going with this bike. I'm tripping over stuff. See you guys soon. Bye bye.